All right, we're going to kick off our birthday list with 6-year-old Ashlynn Shonofer.
Nice catch.
Here she is down at Grand Lake catching a crappie. Love it.
Nice catch, Ashlynn.
Nice. Hope you have a great 6th birthday.
Audrey Os celebrating her 11th birthday. It looks delicious. Happy birthday to you, Audrey.
All right, getting some produce there. Alex Welch celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Looks like he was down at the ocean or something. Alex is in Columbus.
In Girard, Shelby Finley celebrating her 14th birthday. Shelby, I love that hat. A very happy birthday to you.
All right. Emma Royer turning sweet 16 this year. Hope it's a great one, Emma, in Oswego.
Now, Anna Coberly's got a pretty cool picture right here because of what you see behind her. Well, that's from New York City's ticker tape parade for healthcare workers. And it just so happens that Anna's mother is a nurse. So, Anna, I hope you had a great time out in the Big Apple and a happy 17th in Columbus. That's
really cool. All right, we've got birthday wishes from Dad and Grandma going out to Eli Haynes, who's now 18 years old. Happy birthday, Eli, in Carl Junction.
Let the party commence in Commerce. Brant Nading, he is celebrating his 21st birthday. Happy birthday, Brant. Have a good time, man.
All right, Autumn Curtis celebrating birthday number 27 this year in Weir.
Earlier this week, one Jessica Churchill celebrated the big 3-0. And Jessica, I want you to know that these wishes come with love from the family.
All right. And we've got happy birthday from Baylor going out to Dustin Hensley, who's now 38 years old in Jasper.
Karen Showalter, she is celebrating her 57th birthday. It's very easy to find Karen in this picture. You just find the woman in the pink hat. And Karen, I hope that you had a marvelous birthday surrounded by friends and family. She celebrated in Erie.
All right, happy birthday, Karen. And happy birthday to Steve Mitchell. I like that picture. This picture, however, was taken in South Dakota at the world's only corn palace in Mitchell, South Dakota. All right, turning 61 years old.
So I got all excited yesterday and I told everybody at Park School in Columbus to wish Steve Casey a happy birthday. So Steve probably got extremely confused yesterday when I announced his birthday a day early. And he was probably looking at everybody going, my birthday's tomorrow. So anyway, I want everybody to repeat me a favor. Throughout the town of Columbus, I want everybody to track down Steve Casey and wish him a real happy birthday. Steve, I just got excited about your 63rd and decided I was going to carry it on another day. So once again, a happy 2nd birthday to Steve Casey in Columbus.
Let's hope we get it right this time. We just celebrate Steve's birthday all week long.
There you go.
Week-long celebration for Steve Casey. Park School. I like it. All right, Rick and Jane Buckman are celebrating their 1st anniversary this year. They're there with a very, very happy dog as well.
It looked like the dog almost photobombed it.
I know, I love it.
Rick and Jane were set up for an anniversary picture, and the dog is like, "Don't forget me."
It's a sweet picture. They're in Caney, Kansas.
DJ and Kayla Donaldson, they're celebrating their 15th anniversary. Congratulations to DJ and Kayla.
All right.
Let's head to the bus, because it's a busy one.
It's where the party's at. Valerie Richardson, happy birthday. Lloyd Coons is celebrating, and Buddy Lego, happy birthday to you.
All in Columbus, right there. Mm-hmm. Busy one. And Steve Casey. I want all of you to remember you share your birthday with Steve Casey. That's my goal. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this September the 22nd. You fall equinox babies and marriers. And now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Axton's